Why is AI causing so many layoffs in April 20? In the first months of 2026, businesses rushed to adopt new AI technologies that automate complex tasks. Unlike previous automation waves, this AI can handle not just repetitive work, but also decision-making and creative functions. This rapid integration meant many roles became redundant almost overnight, driving a surge in layoffs as companies restructured to prioritize AI efficiency. Alongside AI adoption, a fragile global economy added pressure. Inflation and recession worries forced companies to find quick cost savings. AI solutions promised big savings by reducing payroll expenses. This economic backdrop accelerated layoffs because firms saw AI as a tool to stay competitive and survive uncertain markets, making workforce reductions more likely. Not all sectors were hit equally. Fields relying heavily on data processing, customer interaction, and routine analysis, such as finance, retail, and customer service, experienced larger layoffs. AI systems could automate tasks like data entry, chat support, and basic financial analysis, which traditionally required large teams. This uneven impact reshaped entire industries almost instantly. While AI created new roles, many displaced workers struggled to transition. Retraining programs lagged behind AI adoption, leaving a skills gap. The speed of change outpaced workforce adaptation, causing layoffs instead of smooth shifts to new positions. This mismatch highlighted the urgent need for better education and training aligned with emerging AI technologies. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.